हेलो एवरीबॉडी एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल फ्रेंड्स। और दोस्तों आप सभी का स्वागत है एक और नई वीडियो में। सो टुडे वी आर एट होम एट एन इंडोर शूट। वॉइस में को थोड़ा सा हो सकता है क्योंकि इट्स अ कवर्ड रूम एंड यहाँ पे को प्रूफिंग मैंने किया नहीं है बिकॉज स्टूडियो सेटअप अभी हुआ नहीं है। इन द फ्यूचर आई विल डू इट। लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने बोला था कि आई वॉट 2 न्यू हेलमेट्स विच आई विल बी शोइंग। यहाँ पे एक रखा है, दिस इज नॉट द वन। हेलमेट्स तो दिखाऊंगा, उससे पहले इफ यू आर न्यू टू द चैनल एंड अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया देन मेक श्योर टू हिट दैट रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर देना एंड इंस्टाग्राम में भी फॉलो करना मत भूलना। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द अनबॉक्सिंग। यहाँ पर आप जो देख सकते हो, दिस इज नॉट द न्यू हेलमेट, दिस वॉज माई ओल्ड हेलमेट which is this was the old helmet जिसका अनबॉक्सिंग हमने 1 साल पहले किया था, अराउंड 1 year, नॉट एग्जैक्टली अराउंड 1 year बैक इसका अनबॉक्सिंग हुआ था। काफ़ी साथ दिया इसने, अभी भी चल रहा है, अभी भी रहेगा मेरे साथ। दिस विल बी विथ मी व्हेन आई डू सोलो राइड्स एंड अगर इसको देने का मेरा मन था बट आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विथ गिविंग इट अवे, सो राइट नाउ आई एम कीपिंग इट। तो अभी इसको रखते हैं साइड में। Now, are you guys ready for the new helmet? Are you guys excited as I am? Okay, so here it is. Yes, it's from Bilmola. Maybe, yeah, Bilmola. आप लोगों ने काफ़ी very few of you might know this brand because it's a brand from Thailand. तो अभी अपना हेलमेट जो है, let me show you with that. Let's not go with theories and lectures. अभी इसको करते हैं ओपन एंड पहले तो इसमें एक एक्स्ट्रा वाइजर है जो है, साइड में रखते हैं इसको एंड देन कम्स द मैनुअल विच वी रियली डोंट नीड, पढ़ लेना अच्छा है। नाउ इज द एक्चुअल थिंग। ओके, इसको रख देते हैं साइड में। ओके एंड वाइजर को इधर ही रहने देते हैं। ओके, सो हियर इज माय न्यू टॉय, माय न्यू क्राउन यू कैन से। I was very excited to buy it and I'll tell you why. I'll tell you because जब आप देखोगे ना, when you see this and when you know about this now, you'll just love it. Let's unveil the helmet. Let's unveil my new crown in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Ooh baby, look at that. Look at the graphics. देखो अभी most of you might start commenting कि भाई पिंक है, ये तो like girlish color है। No, it's not pink मेरे भाई। वीडियो में it might look a little bit pink but it's purple. It's purple. And you might not find this kind of graphics and this kind of color in any of the helmets. It's very rare that you will find such graphics in common. Like you will find, but in common you won't find those graphics. And look at this back. Wow, kya aggressive look. How aggressive they have designed this. This is the thing, the spoiler. This is the thing which I bought this for. And look at this, the white, the purple, it's completely in glossy finish, only the spoiler is in matte finish. And यहाँ पे visor, you can see it's not a dual visor, it's a single visor. That's one minus thing about it. And you can lock it and unlock it like that. And the lock, it's not the regular lock like my old helmet. This is a double D ring lock which is very secure as far as I know. And vents की बात करें, there's an upper vent over here and a chin vent over here. So अभी इस पे I won't be doing this old stuff. यहाँ पे in my old helmet you can see मैंने यहाँ पे M-Cent लगा के I've done lot of जुगाड़ and all. I won't be doing with that because I really love this helmet so much. So I won't be spoiling this. Instead I'll be putting on a strap. So this is what I'll be putting on this. This is a strap, a mount strap from Action Pro which I got it on Amazon. If you guys want it, I'll drop the link for this in the description. इसमें क्या क्या मिलता है? You'll get a mount with a strap and a J hook. You can see. ये जो है, it will just go right away on this, and this will go from here, and you can lock it from here. So you can easily detach and attach whenever you want. It's a little bit of work. That's it. And helmet को भी कोई damage नहीं होगा. Whenever you want to remove it and do some photo shoots, again without this. So it's a very good thing. Well, now talking about the specialities of this helmet, it's an aggressive. The price which I paid for this was 7,200. Yeah, that's a little high. Not that high. It's quite moderate, you can say, in the middle. Okay. And on this is a transparent visor. This is not my helmet. This is my wife's helmet. This is for her. I'll show you mine. And what is the speciality? इसकी खासियत क्या है? This helmet is very very rare. These guys from Indonesia, from their own official website, I got to know there is just one guy who imports from them legally in India, and that one guy is in Vijayanagar. And when I spoke to him, he didn't have the helmet, but somebody else had those, and I just got it from him. And this is a very rare helmet, so I'm the owner of it. I can say my wife is the owner of it. It's her crown. Now about my crown. There's one more specialty about this helmet. I'll show you in a while. Okay, let's keep this aside, and time for my helmet. And here is my helmet. Yes, even it's from Bilmola, and yes, even it's same. Bingo. But only the visor is changed. It's the iridium visor. Why I got this? I could have gone for some other visors. I thought of smoke visor also, but in the night time I can't use the smoke visor. But this iridium visor I can use it anytime in the day. When I'm in the sunlight, it glows up blue or yellow, and when I'm in the dark, it completely become transparent. So this you can see. Just check out them both side by side. Wow, these are our crowns, and we can proudly say we are the only owners of these helmets, of these crowns in complete Bengaluru. There might be other people who will be owning this in the future, because abhi to they are not in stock. Now for the main part, the main surprise, what is the actual speciality of these helmets? I'll show you. Okay, are you guys ready? Shall we go in 3, 2, 1? Yeah, ta-da! Look at that. Look how they look. Gorgeous, gorgeous. You know, when I'll be riding these two babies in the night now, यार लोगों का reaction देखने में बड़ा मजा आएगा. Like my in-laws' home, it's far away, and it's a highway, completely dark highway. When I'll be riding with these two aggressive helmets, glowing in the dark, how would that be? Like it would be just wow, just wow. अभी जो आपने देखा, it wasn't completely 100% of what it looks in real, but when you see it in real, you will just fall in love with it. So just let me know down in the comment section ki how did you like my new helmets, my new crowns, mine and my wife. So couple goals to ho rahe hain, and very soon I'll be making a vlog of we both riding together. That will be out soon, so just wait for it. We'll be also doing some amazing photo shoots which you can find on my Instagram over here. So don't forget to follow me over there for some amazing photo shoots with these new crowns. So that was it, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you did, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. So see you guys in the next video. Tab tak ke liye, goodbye, take care, ride hard, ride safe.